Alright, so I'm going to show you how to screw in a light bulb. So right here I have a light bulb that needs to be screwed in. These are a running quiz of reliable lighting. These are A19 Edison bulbs. They're incandescent bulbs. Excuse me. They're incandescent bulbs. A lot of these are being faded out, but I like the glow that they have right here. So these are incandescent bulbs, and I believe these are 60 watt. These are 60 watt bulbs that I have right here. These are called from runquiz. They're A60, A19 Edison bulbs, 3,000 hour lifespan, 120 volts, E26 base, 60 watts. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in right here, or screw this in. I'm going to go ahead at the top of this right here. I'm going to screw the light in. All right, and so the light should be on, but you have to plug it in. Let me go ahead and plug the lamp in first. All right, so I plugged the lamp in, and now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on by pulling the cable. Check to see if it works. And indeed, the light works. So that is how you screw in a light bulb. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.